So what's police entrapment? What constitutes entrapment? You may have an incorrect perception of what entrapment really means. So I've been posting a lot of videos about traffic violations recently, traffic enforcement, everything from window tints to documents, speeding, distracted driving, and we should know some of the fines by now, right?
Listen, I just read that you gave out 3 cell phone tickets at a red light.
That's right.
How?
I saw the first one, I stepped out. As I'm directing that one to park, the driver on the next car beside, same thing, on the phone, grabbed both their licenses, walked back to the third car.
Okay, so let me get this straight. They're stopped at a light.
Yes.
On their phone.
Yes.
And they still got a ticket.
Yes.
How much?
$615, it's 3 demerit points and a 3-day license suspension.
Or how about this one? People love arguing this video.
Hey officer, I see you doing some speed enforcement here.
I'm trying to.
Okay, listen. How fast can I go over the limit before I get a speeding ticket?
Well, speeding is speeding at 1 kilometer over the speed limit.
Okay, what if I'm on a busy highway? It's
You
fast.
can be
Everybody's
pulled over
doing
for
like
any speed over the limit.
Okay, everybody's doing 30 over the limit. Can I still get a ticket?
Yes, you can. Don't worry about what everyone else is doing. You focus on yours driving safe.
So a couple weeks ago I posted this photo. It's an undercover police officer. He's standing at highway off-ramps with a sign. If he approached you, it's because you were probably going to get a fine for being on your phone. Either stopped or you were on your phone coming off the highway as you slowed down. Now I'm amazed at how many people called that entrapment and said that the fine should be tossed out long before it even reaches court. Some people said it's entrapment when an officer is conducting speed enforcement while standing behind a sign or a pole, even if they're in the police vehicle. Now there's a few different definitions of what entrapment is, but basically it's tricking or luring someone into committing a crime in order to secure the prosecution, in order to charge them. Now, there have been cases where entrapment comes into play and the charges have been tossed out in court, whether you agree with that or not. I mean, you wouldn't leave certain drugs or illegal substances around somebody who may be struggling from addiction, trying to get them to take that, to ingest that, just so you could charge them after the fact. That's ridiculous. In terms of traffic enforcement though, whether it's cops hiding behind a sign conducting radar or an undercover officer approaching you at the intersection for being on your phone and charging you, that does not constitute entrapment. At no point did an officer trick you, lure you, or force you into committing those crimes. You were caught after the fact. You would be doing that whether the officer was there or not. So no, it does not constitute entrapment. There are people who show up to court and their only excuse is that this is entrapment and they're stuck paying. I'm sure there's going to be people out there that disagree with this. Maybe you're a paralegal, lawyer, or you just study the law and you disagree. And listen, leave whatever comment you want, but try to be articulate as to why you disagree with this. Give some examples. There's a few people who are in positions of authority that pay very close attention to these videos, so now's your chance. Be articulate. Get your comment heard. If you want to know a little bit more about some of the traffic laws out there, what to avoid and what police are looking for, I'm linking 2 videos here. As usual, thank you for paying attention. Look after one another and perhaps we will see you again.